In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your points on the Southwest Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This information is available on the official Southwest websites when you tap Rapid Rewards over here on the menu at the top of your screen and you access About Rapid Rewards. As you can see, this page is a summary of what you can use your points on, and it's going to give you instructions on how to earn and spend points. If you are satisfied and you know you have enough points that you wish to spend, all you have to do to use them is go back to the home screen, and over here when you select the book a flight, for example, you will have these two options, dollars and points. All you have to do after you know that you have enough points is switch it from dollars to points and make your search. When you look for flights with points selected over here, all the results will be displayed with the amount of points necessary to book the flight. As you can see, they also have an amount over here in dollars that you must add to complete your purchase, but you will be able to browse through all of these flights according to their points price. Select whichever one you wish to book and click continue. You will have to log into your account to see if you have the necessary points, and as long as you do, you will be able to finish booking this flight by including the payment method and all contact information necessary. Make sure you have the points in your Southwest account for the Rapid Rewards program and you will be able to book your flight. I hope I was able to help you on how to use points on the Southwest Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.